Hey there, my friend and fellow trader. It's Will here over to fxace.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So that's it, the end of the second quarter of 2020. Halfway through the year. It's absolutely flying. And okay, trading wise, it's been a good first half of the year. Plenty of pips have been banked with our Signal service. So this video this week is just basically your free trade setup for the week ahead. Now, before we actually get into the trade setup, if you're new to my channel and haven't subscribed yet, simply hit the subscribe button now to stay up to date with all my latest videos that I post weekly with your free trade setups. Okay, you can also join the free Telegram group if you're watching this on my website via the top left hand corner, the Telegram tab, or if you're watching this on YouTube, there will be a link in the description area of the video. Okay, so let's get into this week's free setup. And trade we're looking at this week is going to be on the Aussie USD. Okay, so we're just going to open it up here, Aussie USD. It's not opening for us for some reason. Okay, and I'm just going to use my pen here. Okay, so as always, we're looking at the longer term. Okay, longer term, I expect the Aussie to come back up around to these kind of levels here, the 80 area. But before it does that, I'm expecting a bit of a reaction here, a move down, then a move back up. So longer term, yes, likely to head up to the upside. Short term, I'm looking to sell this over the next week if it goes to the price I'm going to tell you in a minute. Okay, so you can see we actually are hitting a kind of a resistance here. We've had this nice move up here, as you can see, and hit the wall and the market's coming up to hit it again. Okay, so you can see this huge leg up here. And you can see the change of structure in the trend up here. So I'm expecting it maybe pop up to a little bit to the 70 area, drop down, and then continue to rally to the upside towards the 80 area. So if we look at this would be an area to buy, but I'd be looking to buy back in this. This is a counter trend trade, by the way. We'll just look at that. Okay, so I'm expecting it to come up here and then I'm head down towards 65 and then move back up. Okay, so this week you can see the daily chart. What I'm liking here, you can see the market was rallying up here. We had the first change of structure in this trend here, and the market has started to move sideways, distributing. Okay, as always, I could be wrong, but this is the way I like to read the markets, and this is how I get my trade setup. So I'm liking it to move back up here. Okay, round about the 70 area, a nice round number would be a good trade for the Aussie, good selling opportunity in the Aussie this week. So I'm looking to sell it at 70. Okay, bang on. And 70 or a divergence signal. Like I said, if you zoom up in here a little bit more, you can see this is a 4-hour inside of daily, and it is around the 70 area. Okay, so for our chart, you can see that we are forming these kind of range here around the 70 area. Okay, so you can either enter at 70 or enter on the first divergence signal. This is the MACD divergence signal. You can download the free indicator in the description area of the video, or contact me at will@fxace.com and I will be able to send you a copy of the MACD divergence indicator over absolutely free. Okay, so the trade is Aussie USD. We're looking to sell this. Okay, Aussie USD. Oh, have to undo that. Raise. Okay, so looking to. This is actually good here. Like I said, I've got my new computer and okay, so we'll just erase that. We're looking to sell Aussie USD. Okay, if you look, we're looking at to go down. We'll just So we put in text. Okay, text. Okay, sell. Sell AUD USD at 0.70, or our first MACD divergence signal on 1 hour or 4 hour chart. Pretty simple. Okay, stop loss. Stop loss will be 0.712. Okay, and take profit, like I said, 65.5. Okay, take profit at 0.655. Okay, now this one here, you can hold it for long term if you want. Completely up to you. That's the trade. Sell Aussie USD at 70, or first MACD divergence signal on the 1 hour 4 hour chart. If you're trading manually, you can either email me at will@fxace.com and I will send you over the indicator, or simply click the link below in the description area and you can actually access it that way. Okay, so as always, trade at your own risk. This is a very nice setup if it occurs. And yes, so I'm really liking the setup for the week ahead. Okay, so sell Aussie USD at 70. We'll just go over the reason buy. You can see we're actually at this monthly area here. I wonder if we are the Fibonacci area of this leg down. Okay, we're also at the 61.8 Fibonacci of this leg down. Okay, on the monthly charts. So it is looking like a nice trading setup. Okay, if it occurs this week, first divergence signal happens, and you can see, just let me play about with this drawn tool again. Freehand. Okay, comes up into here and sell all the way down to here, and we'll change that to green. Back down here, longer term. That was yellow. Longer term to the upside. Okay, so down here, up. That's the way I'm expecting the Aussie to move. And that's it. So as always, trade at your own risk. If you want to join the full service, the full FX Ace Pro Signal service, you can simply hit the sign up button now below. Okay, ready to start, click here now. You can have a look at the page, see the reviews. People are actually starting to give me video reviews of their experience. Plenty of proof there that our service works. And as always, we guarantee that we'll consistently bank you 900 pips every 90 days or your money back. Okay, so no other signal service will do that. The reason I do that is because I'm confident in my method and I know my numbers. Okay, so if you follow exactly how I recommend you use the service, you will get these results. So click the link below. Have a great week, and I shall see you in the next video. Well over to fxace.com.